Can I get the activator, please? All right, buddy. Just gonna come right here. Let's make it easier for you to breathe, huh? There we go. Good. Oh, yeah. Good. You have any issues after he got adjusted last time?
No, not at all.
Sleeping okay?
Yeah, we have to wake him up to feed him.
Living the good life, Mama.
He's spoiling us.
Yeah, I hate you for that. My kid was up like 6 to 7 times a night the first 2 years.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're surprised we had another.
Yeah, he's making it real easy for us to decide to have another one, and then watch that one's going to be a little
Of course.
hellion.
They do.
Yeah, Lindsay's going through that now. Hi, I know. A little bit right there. Good, attaboy. Is he pooping okay?
Yeah, for the most part, he's much better now than he was when we first brought him home.
Change the formula?
Well, he's on breast milk, but he was on formula when we
Okay,
brought him
yeah.
home. Once we got that kind of out of the system, he was like, oh, okay, I'm good now.
All right, buddy. I'm gonna
You're
keep
better
you-
at this than Mommy is.
Yeah, Mommy squeals a little bit, right? That's the one I want. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
It's amazing to me that you're even doing anything.
It's crazy.
It's like you're
Their
just
bones
talking
are
to him.
so rubber. It's
Yeah.
I mean, you're like rubber cement.
Yeah, how do I get some of that?
Time machine. Yeah, I know. That's a bad one. Any ear infections or anything? Okay, good.
Nope.
It's like we got the same haircut, man.
It really is.
There you go. Hear him talk? It's
Oh.
okay. It's okay.
You're doing all right, buddy.
It's okay. Good. Now I'm gonna set you up with Mommy.